Now let's go through some actual examples. And for your reference, I've listed the GST formulas on the right-hand side of the screen for your quick reference, along with the definitions of each variable, such as the GST, PI, and PE. Now let's look at this example from a petrol station. A customer bought a certain amount of petrol or diesel, and they paid at point of sales $111.50. So that's how much they paid after tax. And part of that is $10.14, which is the GST amount. So that's the price including GST. Let's go ahead and just do all the calculations. So if I come here and just write the price including GST in dollars, which what the customer paid at point of sales is $111.50. The GST amount in dollars is $10.14. So how did I actually arrive at that number? So since I have PI, if I come on the right hand side and look at equation number 3, because PI is available here. So from equation number 3, which state that the GST amount is equal to PI over 11. And that equals to $111.50 over 11, which is equal to exactly $10.40, which is the GST amount. Now, what about the price excluding GST? And normally you don't see that on the on the receipts, but let's just, for the sake of this example, we're going to try and calculate it. There's many ways of doing it. You can use equation number 1, you can use equation number 2, but I've decided to use equation number 5 here. So from equation number 5, which state that the price excluding GST can be calculated by dividing PI, this time by 1.1. So it's exactly the same amount, which is $111.50 over 1.1. And that equals to $101.36. So this is GST, and that's the price excluding GST. So let's just put this information on a graph using the block here. Let's say this represents the product that the retailer is selling. So in our case here, this is the GST amount, and that's the price excluding GST. And in our calculation, that is equal to $101.36. The GST amount is equal to $10.14. And of course, if you add PE plus GST, the whole amount is equal to the price including GST, and that equals to $111.49. So what happens is that the retailer will keep this money, this amount of money, which is $101.36. The taxman will receive from the retailer the amount of $10.14, and you as a customer will end up paying the full amount, which is $111.49. Now here is an example from a supermarket. This time I have 2 products. The customer paid at point of sales the total of $9.20. That's being the price including GST, and part of it is the GST amount, which is really 56 cents. Let's go ahead and verify that information. So as I said before, the most common equation is number 3 whenever I have PI. So if I come here and say from equation number 3, which is $9.20 over 11, I get 83 cents. 83 cents, which is not the same here because we've got 56. So why is it different? Well, let me tell you something. If you look closely at the receipts, you will see not all items are taxable. only those where you've got percentages next to them. So in this case, if you look here, you will see that item 1, understandably being a food item, is not really, it's actually GST exempt, whereas the second one is a taxable one. So that's hence the difference. So how do we go ahead and calculating the 56 cents? So you can actually do it individually. So I'm going to come here and just draw this table. So I'm going to call this item 1, and that's item 2. So the item 1 and item 2. And we have the price including GST, the GST amount, and the price excluding GST. And of course, they're all in dollars. The price including GST for the first item, the parsley, is $3. There's no GST on it since it is GST exempt, so it's 0. And of course, the price before and after GST is exactly the same, so that's actually $3 here. Now, item number 2 is the soda, which is taxable. The customer paid $6. Oops, let me just fix that. $6.20. The tax payable, GST payable on it is as per equation number 3. So if you come to equation number 3 here, the GST amount is equal to $6.20 over 11, which is equal 56 cents. So I'll copy it just at the top here. That's 56 cents. Now the price before the GST, there's many equations to use, probably equation number 3 or number 5. From equation number 5, you simply divide PI by 1.1, and you will get $5.63. All right. So in total is $9.20. The GST amount payable is 56 cents, and the price before GST would be equal to $8.63. Again, what happens graphically, 56 cents goes to the taxman. Now the supermarket will pocket as a gross profit of $8.63, and you as a customer will end up paying the total, which is $9.20. One more thing I will leave you is before we go to the next example. Again, if you want to calculate the GST amount and you have a blended items, GST exempt and non-exempt, the only way to do that is, remember, is to do the calculation manually. Now, here's an example from a pharmacy product bought by a customer. They paid in total $9.99 being the price after tax. And part of that is 91 cents being the GST amount. I mean, yeah, we can calculate the GST amount using formula number 3, but I'm going to actually look at it from a different perspective here. So let's say now I'm going to draw the graph first. And I know that the price including GST is $9.99, which what the customer paid at point of sales. Now, the GST amount is equal to 1/11 of that amount. So the taxman would request, so if this is PE, I don't know PE yet, but I know PI. The GST amount, the taxman requests the retailer to pay 1/11 of that amount. So in other words, we divide it by, we multiply it by 1/11, which is the same thing as equation number 3. I'm not doing anything differently. All what I'm saying is I'm trying to read this from a different perspective. But at the end of the day, the GST amount as per equation number 3 is pi over 11 and that equals to 91 cents. And of course, you can calculate the if you like the price excluding GST, and if you do that, you will get $9.08. Now here is another example of a receipt showing 3 items with the customer paying $21 in total, which include GST. The GST amount is $1.91. So please feel free to pause this video and give it a go yourself. Otherwise, you can just follow me on this silent journey as I will do the calculation. Let's go.